Hi gorgeousness, it's me, Sophie Taylor, and hello again. By the way, if you like craft DIYs, be seen with fashion trends, enjoying adventures, and collecting fashion collectible dolls, then this is the right channel for you. Now, let's have some blast and start creating. Well, guess what? Normally our fabulous girl Lindsay is here to do the intro, but today, she's off on a very important mission to buy herself some brand new trousers. Yes, honey, she's on a trouser quest. But don't worry, because the fashion gods have perfect timing. I promise to show you how to make some absolutely fabulous trousers yourself. That's right, we're not just talking pants. We're talking show-stopping, leg-strutting, booty-shaking trousers. So grab your glitter, your sass, and maybe a snack, because it's time to make some gorgeous pants. Trousers or pants? Wait a minute. Aren't they the same thing? One's British, one's American, but both cover your legs and you're fabulous behind. So tell me, which word do you use? Are you team trousers or team pants? Drop it in the comments below, darling. Let's settle this once and for all. All right, gorgeousness. In my oh-so-glamorous opinion, it's trousers. Because let's be real, it just sounds way sassier. Like, say it out loud. Trousers? Yes. Now, let me show you the magic. This is the pattern I made myself, and I'm living for it in a relaxed wide leg fit. Breezy, comfy, and strut ready. And of course, I made sure it's got a real side pocket, because we have things to carry, darling. Oops, sorry.
Cut! Another take!
Oh, and by the way, if you missed the episode where I showed you how to make this fabulous outfit I'm wearing right now, don't even worry about it, darling. You can watch it as many times as you want. Just click that lovely little link up above. It's waiting for you like a sparkly fashion rewind button. And while you're there, check out all the other videos your crafty heart desires. Happy crafting, gorgeousness!
And cut!
Hey there, gorgeousness. Just a quickie. Do you love awesome stuff? Well, guess what? We've got a super duper website that's just waiting for you to explore. We've got some seriously cool stuff on our website, like doll clothes. Plus, we've got collectible dolls that are just waiting to be your new best friends. So what are you waiting for? Come on over to our website, let's have some fun, and spread the love to your loved ones. Now back to the show.
All right, let's keep the magic going. We're still working with this gorgeous natural linen. Honestly, it's giving earthy elegance and breezy vibes. Now, before we even think about snipping away, make sure you fold the fabric along the grain line. Trust me, darling, this little step is what keeps your trousers from turning into twisty, wobbly leg puzzles. We want runway ready, not runway wonky. Up next, I lay the pattern pieces nice and perpendicular to the fabric. Yes, darling, everything lined up like it's walking a fashion runway. Then, I pin it all in place like a pro, because we are not here for any sneaky shifting or surprise misplacements. Oh no, we're keeping it sharp, straight, and totally fabulous. All right, darling, it's cutting time. Grab your sharpest scissors, the fancy ones you don't use for paper. Your fabric deserves respect. Carefully cut along the edges, keeping everything nice and perpendicular to the pattern. Why? Because we want your doll serving perfect fit, not fashion flop. Snip, snip, let's make it chic. Now that all the pieces are cut, hello, pattern perfection. Before we sew a single stitch, I lay everything out nice and flat, like a little fabric fashion puzzle. I double check that I've got all the pieces in perfect pairs and that everything's looking complete and ready. Now let's get stitching gorgeousness. We're starting with the folds and front darts of the trousers. Yes, the little details that make a big difference. It should end up looking like this. Clean, classic folds facing each other like they're having a stylish little chat. So chic, so tailored, so totally trouser eleganza. Next up, pockets, baby! We're attaching them to both sides, because what's a fabulous pair of trousers without a place to stash of money or diamonds? I always go for functional pockets. None of that fake pocket nonsense here. We're doing it right. What do you think, gorgeousness? Are you for pockets realness too? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I want to hear all the pocket opinions. You can see here, I've also attached the back of the pants. I'll share the step-by-step soon, so drop me a comment if you're curious. Now it's time to attach the front fly, a key step before we add that fabulous waistband later. Okay, moment of fashion magic. First, I attached the belt loops because we love a good detail. Then came the waistband, and honey, just look at her now. What do you think, gorgeousness? She's giving structure, she's giving style, she's giving couture realness. Want to know exactly how I made those belt loops and waistband so snatched? Drop a comment below. Also, at the bottom hem I saw top stitch to make it clean and chic style. We're almost there, darling. Now it's time to sew up the back of the trousers. Yes, the booty moment. Then we stitch the inner sides to close everything up nice and neat. And look at that. She's really becoming trousers. Now it's time for the big flip. We're turning these trousers right side out. Because yes, darling, the inside out look is so not the vibe today. It can be a little tricky. Hello, fabric gymnastics. But with a bit of strength and a good old pull and shimmy technique, you've got this. Here's how the trousers look now, with that extra rectangular panel at the back. It's not just cute, it's clever. That little addition gives us leverage for the metallic clasp and a bit of extra ease for comfort and movement. And just like that, she's done. What do you think, gorgeousness? Aren't these trousers just the cutest, most adorable, and totally functional little masterpiece? Honestly, it's giving mini Brunello Cucinelli vibes, right? Chic, timeless, and just a little bit bougie, and I am so here for it. I'm obsessed. Are you? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, darling. I want to hear it all. Now let's check in on Lindsay. How's her trouser quest going?
Wow, what a wonderful time we've had together today, gorgeousness. Thank you for staying with us on this fun filled with heartwarming stories and fantastic crafts. We hope you've enjoyed every moment as much as we have, from crafting our own little masterpieces to diving into captivating tales. It's been an absolute joy sharing this time with you. Before you go, we have a little favor to ask. Could you please sprinkle some love our way by giving us a thumbs up, sharing the fun with your friends, and subscribing to our channel? That way, you'll always be the first to know about our latest stories and crafty creations. The excitement doesn't stop here. Be sure to stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll have even more enchanting stories and DIY adventures waiting just for you. So keep that smile shining bright, stay as gorgeous as ever, and until next time, bye for now.